गोयचो फेस्ताकार मारियास फेर्नांडिसान परत एक फावट काकुलो मॉलात पुरुमेताचे फेस्त घडोवन हाडला। हे फेस्त 19 मे ते 21 मे अशे 3 दीस लोकांक उक्ते आसतले। पळयात पुराय बातमी। फेस्तात गोयच्या पारंपारीक व्यवसायिकांची तशेंच दिव्यांग भुरग्यांनी दुकानां थाटल्यात। लोकांनी व्हडा प्रमाणात येवन खरेदी करची असो उलो ज्येष्ठ पत्रकार प्रकाश कामतीन मारला। आयकात।
तशेंच डिसेबिलिटी आशिल्ले जांकां दोळे ना, जांकां कांय जाणां हात ना, पांय ना, उलोवपा येना, तोंडांतल्यान उतर येना, आयकूं येना, सेरेब्रल पाल्सी म्हणून आसा, ऑटिझम म्हणून आसा, हे भुरग्यांचे आवय बापूय तांकांय मारियस हे फेस्तांनी एकोमोडेट करता, तांकां आपल्यो वस्तू, आपल्यो सर्विसीस विकपाक आनी पोटा पाण्याचो प्रश्न सोडोवपाक।
I'm the curator of this Purumentache fest. This is my 75th fest in Goa, and I thank the Caculo Mall for giving us the space. This is a zero waste and inclusive fest, empowering women and people from the differently able community of Goa. Today we start a 3-day Purumentache fest. Starts at 11 o'clock till about 8 o'clock every day. We will be selling stuff today. If you'll come, please do come. From mackerels, dry fish, spices, food, and pottery, plants, and many items. Please do come and support people at the grassroots.
I've come here for this Purumentache fest. I'd like to thank Maurice sir and all the organizers and Caculo Mall for giving us a chance to come over here. I have a stall here, which is also given, like we are given a chance to put our stalls. So I am a mother to a child who has a very rare hearing disorder. So this stall also helps me, in like a kind of financial support, as well as I do this Molla workshop. So that is also my workshop is there today at around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So this fests are really good for people like us, marginal sectors, and always they encourage us to come up for this and like help us financially as well.
GOA365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिक्स, श्वेता गांवकर आणि शिवानी सांगेलकार।